So students, we are doing lesson number 3.2, Seven Sisters. We have already seen the importance of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Today we will today we will do the next state, Meghalaya. Hello friends, I am the abode of clouds, Meghalaya. So I am a abode of clouds, that is Meghalaya. My capital city, Shillong, is called Scoutland of the East. So my capital, what is the capital of Meghalaya? Shillong, which is also called as a Scoutland of the East because of its highlands, fog, and scenery. Fog, during cold season, you are able to see like fog. In other words, you can call it Shabnam, you call it. My people speak English, Khasi, Panar, and Garo. So, what language they speak? They speak Khasi, Panar, and Garo. I am overwhelmingly beautiful, means I am very beautiful, and everything here is impossible. E- Everything here is impossible, green, and alive. So, here the beauty is alive and it is full of greenery. The rolling mist in the valleys, the undulating hills, numerous lakes, waterfalls, caves, sacred forest. Sacred means which is very pure, which is very holy, and exotic flora and fauna are fascinating. Fascinating means what? Very attractive. Now, here, overwhelmingly means what? Very or very beautiful. Then, undulating means moving up and down like waves. So, here mountains are moving like up and down. Then flora and fauna. What you mean by flora and fauna? Plants and animal life of a particular area. So that is called flora and fauna, means the plant and animal life of a particular area. And fascinating means very attractive or very beautiful. Here, zoom or shifting cultivation is practiced even today. Now, what do you mean by shifting cultivation? Once, when agriculture is over, so whatever dried grass is there, all leaf is there, that is been burnt, and this burnt ash is being used as a manure. I have lovely mountains. So here there are beautiful mountains like stretches of valley and highland plateaus. The rock formation here contain rich deposit of valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium, and selenite. So all these minerals are found in this place. Minerals like coal, limestone, uranium, and selenite. I have many rivers. So here there are many rivers also. Please come to see Chirapunji or Mawson Nirama, the wettest place on earth. So which is the wettest place on the earth? This place, Chirapunji, which is coming in the state of Meghalaya, is always wet. You can enjoy the forest and sacred groves here. So you can enjoy the forest, the pure forest, and groves means what? Group of trees. Groves means group of trees. I boast of several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. So here there are many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries where wildlife are preserved and kept. Friends, you would be amazed to see the Cream Liat Praha, which is the longest cave. So your cave is there, one of the longest cave is there, and the name of the cave is Cream Liat Praha, and Senerak Paminga, which is deepest cave. So here this is the deepest cave. You can enjoy the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. So from this particular state, that is from state of Meghalaya, you can see Bangladesh also. Do come to see this pine fresh mountain state during the Wangala festival in autumn. So in autumn, during the period of cold season, you come to witness this festival. And which festival that is? Wangala. Now, what do you mean by panoramic view? Panoramic view means what? A view of wide area of a land, or you can say a beautiful view. Now, next state, which is the next sister now? Manipur. Manipur is the next sister. Hey, I am fourth sister, Manipur, the jewel land. So what Manipur is also called? It is also called as a jeweled land. I am proud to be the jewel of my mother India. So this state of Manipur is very proud. Why? Because it is also called as a land of jewel. I am also known by my nickname Kangalibak or Sanalibak. So it is also named by a nickname. What is meant by the nickname? A informal name given to the state of Manipur. My capital is Impal. Now what is capital of Manipur? Impal. Where you can see the cyclist velodrome. Now what do you mean by velodrome? A track used for cycle race. That is called velodrome. So what is velodrome? A track used for cycle race. Many of my people belong to the Meitei ethnic group and speak Meitei or Manipuri language. So ethnic group means what? They belong to a particular group which is called as a Meitei group. And what language they speak? They speak Manipuri language. I have the credit of introducing polo to the Europeans. Now what is polo? Polo is a game in which the players ride horse and try to hit a ball into a goal. So that's the game of polo. My people staple diet consists of rice, fish, and large varieties of leafy vegetables. So what these people eat? They eat rice, fish, and leafy vegetables, both aquatic and terrestrial. But our cuisine is so different from the rest of India. So the food habit is very much different. Now, here what names we have seen, meanings we'll see nick. Now, nick means what over here? Informal names. Then, velodrome. Velodrome is what? A track used for cycle race. Then, ethnic. So you can see the word ethnic, belonging to a culture or race, means belong to a particular community or race. Now, what do you mean by polo? A game in which the players ride horse and try to hit a ball into a goal. That's game of a polo. Aquatic. What you mean by aquatic? Living in water. And what you mean by terrestrial? Living on land. And cuisine. Cuisine is what? A style of cooking. That is called cuisine. Then, due to the use of various aromatic herbs, okay, some medicinal plants and roots are peculiar to my state. Blessed, blessed with amazing variety of flora and fauna. I am home to I am home to a host of rare endemic plant and animal life here. A treat for eyes is the Kabul Lemjo National Park. Means when you go to this national park, it's very beautiful. Your eyes are very pleasing when you see this national park. And abode of rare and endangered species. So here you can see animal which you have not seen in your life. Of bro antlered deer. So this is a rare species. This deer is a very rare species. This ecosystem contains 17 rare species of mammals. It is the only floating national park of the world. You should come to see the Lothak Lake and the floating island. So when you visit this particular place, don't forget to visit Lothak Lake, which looks like as a floating island. Our Manipur dance is one of the most acclaimed classical dance of India. See here how she is dancing. It's a classical dance of India. The folk dance of tribal people captivate and beholders with the exotic costumes. Exotic means what? Very beautiful costumes. And simple but great graceful rhythm. Rhythm means a type of music. You should not fail to witness the Manipuri martial arts. So you know what are Manipuri martial arts? Thang, Tha and Sarak Sarak. So this is a type of Manipuri martial arts. Now we'll see the difficult words meaning. Aromatic. Aromatic means what? A pleasant smell or a beautiful smell. You know what you mean by flora and fauna, the plant and animal life of a particular area. Endemic, found in a particular place. Endemic means what? Something to find in a particular place. Then acclaimed. Acclaimed means what? Praised or appreciated. When you tell some good thing of a particular place, that is called praised or appreciated. Then captivate. Captivate means what? Hold somebody's attention because it is attractive. To hold someone's attraction. Then beholders. What do you mean by beholders? Those who are watching. They are called beholders. So hope so students you have understood the two states, that is Meghalaya and Manipur. Thank you students.